Hi everyone, I'm Sharon Lee, a senior nurse clinician. Imagine your newborn snug against your chest, feeling the warmth of your skin and the gentle rhythm of your heartbeat. This simple act makes a world of difference for your baby. This is the essence of kangaroo care. Today, let's discover the wonders of kangaroo care, a gentle and effective way to support your newborn's growth and well-being. Kangaroo care is all about close contact. Your baby, wearing just a diaper, is held upright against your bare chest, covered with a blanket or your clothing for warmth, just like a little kangaroo in a pouch. This is a shared experience for both parents. Thus, you can connect with your little one in a special way, providing calm and comfort. Kangaroo care stabilizes your baby's heart rate and improves breathing patterns. It regulates their oxygen levels and promotes longer, restful sleep. Babies helped this way tend to gain weight healthily, cry less, and have better breastfeeding sessions. Many even got discharged earlier from the hospital. For you as a parent, this practice enhances bonding and fosters closeness with your baby. For moms, it helps you to boost breast milk supply and builds confidence in caring for your newborn. So, why does kangaroo care work so well? It's all in the skin-to-skin connection. Holding your baby close stabilizes their heart and breathing. Your chest acts like a natural incubator, regulating their temperature and keeping them comfortable. Let me share more about how to make kangaroo care comfortable for you and your baby. Firstly, start in a calm, quiet environment where you can both relax. Then, support your baby's head and neck, turning them to one side for easy breathing. Next, softly speak or hum to your baby. It's soothing and helps them feel secure. Lastly, wear loose and comfortable clothing like a button-down shirt or wrap to keep your baby covered and warm. Kangaroo care can become part of your daily routine. Start with just a few minutes and gradually increase the time. Consider holding your baby skin to skin during calm moments after feeding, before nap, or whenever you want to bond. Preterm babies, especially, benefit